In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in WordPress in 2025. If you're looking to enhance your website's navigation, or simply want to add a stylish new feature, you've come to the right place. Let's go through this process step by step, ensuring you understand every detail. To begin with, open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once there, locate the login button, which you'll find on the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. Logging in opens up a gateway to all the tools and features WordPress has to offer, which we'll be utilizing today. If you prefer the convenience of logging in with your Google account, simply click on Continue with Google. This is a quick and secure method, and it will prompt you to choose your Google account. Select the one associated with your WordPress profile. If you haven't linked your account yet, follow the straightforward prompts to do so. Once you're logged in, you're going to see your WordPress dashboard. Focus your attention on the right panel where you'll find the quick links. Look for an option labeled Edit Site and go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the main site editing interface where all the magic happens. Next, you'll need to click on your website. You should be able to see it listed there on your dashboard. Just a simple click and you're in your website's editing area. With this interface opened, the next step will be to add our drop-down menu. Look at the top of the editing page and search for the Add button. Click it. You will see a search bar appear, and this is where you will type in the word drop-down. This action will help you find the appropriate widget or field for creating drop-down menus. From the search results, locate and click on drop-down field. This is the specific tool that will allow you to create a drop-down menu smoothly. Now that you've selected the drop-down field, it's time to personalize it. You'll see an option to add your items or options for the drop-down. Depending on how many choices you want to offer your visitors, type them out here. After you've input all your desired options, ensure you click on Save to secure your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures your drop-down menu is stored correctly and ready for visitors to interact with on your website. And there you have it, a polished drop-down menu ready to enhance your WordPress site. Crafting drop-down menus can truly streamline your website's navigation, making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.